have a small package today. I'm not sure what it is, but we'll find out. Okay, tiny package. Oh, there you go. They are the USB adapters. 2 USB type C2 MI 2-pack black new. I don't think there's any real need to take them out of the package, but they are tiny, as you can see. That's really good because I've been waiting for these to come. So I'm pleased about that. I don't know much about them. All I can tell you is what they say. Got little holes at the back. Maybe I should take them out. Once you get into this. I think I need to cut it. Okay. They got little keyring holders as well, so that's handy when you want to pop it on your key. They got their little holes up there, and then they got the USB there. Not sure how they work, to be honest, but there's 2 of them, and they are so tiny. And there you go. 2 USB. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.